Smart Review is the best channel for your choice, the best product now. You will watch the best cordless drills among the whole brand. Working is our duty every day. To finish our job, we will need some tools to help us. By having and using the best tool that can help us in our job, the task can be achieved more efficiently and effectively. For example, construction worker needs some great tools such as drill, hammer, saw and many others. Based on some researches, drill is sought out by many people nowadays. Not only construction worker but a lot of homeowners would like to buy and own a drill at their home. By having a drill at their home, they can finish some jobs easily. Generally, there are two types or two kinds of drill. They are cordless drill and corded drill. Each of them has their own advantages and disadvantages as well. A corded drill is powerful and can be used as long as you want. You won't have to worry about the battery. The bad side of corded drill is the limited R2 achieved. Because of the cord, you can't access anywhere you want. A cordless drill is better for most people, because they found that it is more flexible. It is portable so you can bring it anywhere you want. It can access more area than the corded drill. Besides that, cordless drill is also easier to store and need no cable. For those reasons, many people are now switching themselves from corded drill to cordless one. One of the best cordless drills is the dual DCD 760 KL 18 volts, which is very powerful. One of the added value of this powerful drill is the lightweight point. It weighs only 4.0 pounds, which can minimize use. Thanks for watching.